After connecting your PayPal, you'll want to select some defaults from your QuickBooks chart of accounts. Under Settings, select the default expense account to record PayPal fees and the income account for sales. The liability account used for capturing sales tax cannot be a sales tax payable account. Intuit does not allow this. Instead, select any other current liability account. Select the income account for shipping that was charged on PayPal sales transactions. Next, choose the checking or bank account that PayPal is connected to, and a credit card associated with the account. You will not be able to select a PayPal account. DATAQLICK will automatically create a PayPal bank in your QuickBooks company. You have a choice of how you want to record sales and refunds. You can either record each transaction as an individual deposit, or you can batch them together into daily sales summaries. Select the method you prefer. If you change your mind later on, extreme caution should be used when switching modes to avoid double entry of sales.